So once you have signed into your Scratch account, I want to show you guys how you can follow a studio and check your studios. Um, so the studio that I started myself and a couple of friends of mine and my son, um, it is PeaceMaker Hack. So if you search for this, you can find it. And the way you can do that is just put a little search bar here. So what you want to do is you have to type it in. Mine obviously comes up because I did this multiple times. And look how specific I am. All capitals and my apostrophe needs to be there. When you search, it's going to say nothing found. That means that you're on the wrong screen. Look, you're looking for studios, not projects. Click on studios, pops up here. You click on that guy, it will take you in, and your button here will say follow because you're not following it. So go ahead and click that follow button there. And yeah, that's how you follow a studio.